Chicken fried momo is a famous northeastern snacks recipe. It is a famous street food that is steamed first and then fried. This is a very crispy with juicy filling. Just try out this recipe and you will love it. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Into the minced chicken, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of julienne cabbage. I have 500 gram of chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. Eat the bulk portion. Add green chilies as per your taste. Half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. Handful of chopped coriander leaves. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And 1 egg. Adjust the quantity of vegetables as per your taste. Now mix all the ingredients well. Try to mince the chicken at your home. Wash and clean the whole big boneless piece. Then dry it little. Then mince the chicken. Okay, now rest this stuffing into refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll make the momos. On the middle of the momo sheet, put the chicken filling. Apply little water on the edges with your fingertips. You can use your favorite veggies into this filling also, like different types of bell peppers. Now patch the both ends, like turn one side onto other side. Press it little. Now patch the edges together. Now take a fork and press the edges little. It will seal the edges also and give a nice look. Momos are ready. I'll first steam them. So in the steaming pan, put the momos one by one. Cover the pan and steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You can see they changes their color. They're 80% done, so I'll take them out from the steaming. Give a try out this recipe and let me know how it's turned out to you. Now take 6 tablespoons of white oil. Once the oil is hot, place the steamed momo into the oil, but make sure the oil is not too hot. I shaped the momo in 2 different styles. Fry them for 1 minute each side. Flip them to the other side to fry. Which are sealed by the fork, they are easy to fry. Serve these hot and crispy fried chicken momo with coriander mayonnaise, dipping sauce, momo chutney and coriander chutney. I'll give the link of both dipping sauce in the description box. As you can see, this is nicely golden and crisp. Fried chicken momo is ready. That's it for today's video. If you like this recipe, hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy. Thank you. Bye.